color code each one.
We are currently in St. Emily's DigiClub, just to give you a bit of a sense of the kinds of things we've got going on here. And we're actually going to start with our Ozobots here. So guys, what can you tell me about these?
They're really fun.
What's the, I see that you got some color combinations going on there. What do the colors do?
They are codes that tell the robot to do this. Like on the box, there's 3 codes. For an example, the one I'm using is turbo. As you can see, that's the color code.
When I'm using it, I do
Very
it like
cool. I see that.
I once made this giant run. It may actually still.
And I think we're going to move over to our EB3 team next. So I'm not clear on what we're doing right now.
Wait. No, don't turn off.
So as you can see, this is our EB3 for, I believe the intention is to participate in the drag race at the Ottawa Robotics competition at the end of May, correct?
Yes, but it will have to be reprogrammed to activate these and these.
Okay.
These don't work for anything.
Okay. Beautiful. And we're talking to our other EB3 team. And they're doing much the same thing. Building their drag racer. And do we have some guys working on the program right now, or are we working on something else?
That's a good idea. Take those out.
Looks like we might be working on something else there. So it looks like we're still in the build stage with our robot here.
No. We started programming it. Just we need to make it lightweight.
Oh, okay, looking to make it smaller and lighter. Beautiful. All right. We're going to move out to our Dash robot teams. As you can see, we got some of our Dash robots on the move. Take a quick peek. Looks like that they are controlling the robot right now off of the iPad. Very cool. You gonna say hi? And now we're gonna make our way down. I think we've got our Scratch teams here. Oh yeah, we got our Scratch teams at play here.
I deal with that with Ozobots.
We got, who do we have here? Wanna Yeah. We got Philip working away on their Scratch teams right now, developing some of the games that way.
Copying my game.
Beautiful. And now we're going to move down, I think, to our powder toy teams. We've got Monica working on some virtual explosions, mixing the chemicals together.
I made a Flexi Rex.
Very cool. Got quite the design going on here with Alessandro.
Lighting the city.
I think I'm getting hypnotized watching this. And looks like Bennett's working on his TinkerCad project. Very nice. As you can see, we've got our 3D printer here that we think we may finally have working. So we're going to try it out here shortly.
Yes, can I please go first?
And we got another TinkerCad at play. Oh, we got our Lynx Coding team over here. Oh, beautiful. All right. We have, oh, we got something over here to take a look at here.
We're
Working
doing a
on our
video game.
background.
We're doing like a race.
Oh, you're doing a race? Oh, very cool. So, can we say hi to the camera and say our name?
Hi. Hi. Priya. Chloe. Andrea. Ellie.
Beautiful. And this is our Lynx Coding team going on over here. Very nice. And I think, do we have... Oh, yeah. Got some more Lynx Coding happening here. My lighting's not very good. Oh, there's our turtle. You can see the turtle. We're getting ready to set up there.
Can we go in the